what Adobe Creative Cloud is or does provide to you as a Creative Cloud user. It is a collection of software created by Adobe and includes more than 20 fully functioning applications as well as mobile applications. It is also a tool or service that allows you to download, install, and use any Creative Cloud application at any point in time. Creative Cloud is a subscription service where, in contrast to the traditional perpetual license model of obtaining software, provides software to users on a subscription basis. One of the big benefits to this method is that Adobe can release regular updates to their software to add functionality and at times fix bugs that may exist in their software. As a Creative Cloud subscriber, you are given storage on Adobe's servers. And those files stored in the Creative Cloud allows you to share those files and collaborate with other users on those files. Now let's also talk about what Creative Cloud is not, because there are some common misconceptions about Creative Cloud that scares some people away. First of all, despite what you might have heard, Adobe Creative Cloud is not software that you run from the cloud. The software is downloaded from the cloud because it provides everyone easy access to the installers, but the software lives on your computer, just like all of the other software that you work with. Adobe Creative Cloud doesn't require you to be connected to the internet in order to use the software. You can work on a remote island if you'd like, and your Creative Cloud applications will run just fine. Adobe does need an internet connection once every 30 days in order to validate your subscription, but other than that, the software runs just fine offline. When Adobe releases new versions of software, and trust me, they do, you are not forced to upgrade to that version, and it doesn't happen automatically either by default. You and only you decide when and if you want to upgrade. And finally, Adobe Creative Cloud doesn't make you store your files on the cloud. It provides you with the ability to do so, and in a pretty powerful way. But if you choose not to, it's fine. You just save your files to your local hard drive or server, just as you always have. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of what Creative Cloud is and isn't, so that you can take advantage of the amazing features offered by this service. All right, so you're ready to take the plunge and subscribe to the Creative Cloud. Where do you start? That's a good question. Adobe really does make the process easy. To get started, simply open up a web browser, and in the URL field, we're going to type www.adobe.com. This is going to take us to the main Adobe web page, where we can click on the Creativity and Design category, and then we can come down here to the bottom and choose View All Plans and Pricing. You're going to notice across the top of your screen that you have 4 different tabs for different categories and different types of users. The Individuals tab is the primary tab that most people are going to go to. That's for the typical user, for individuals who want to subscribe to the Creative Cloud. Within each category, you're going to notice that you can purchase individual applications as you need, or you can choose packages such as the photography plan or the all apps plan. A rule of thumb that I like to give users is that the minute you need 3 or more applications, your best value is going to be to purchase the all apps plan. Going to the business tab is going to offer you the ability to subscribe for small businesses. This is called what's typically referred to as Creative Cloud for Teams. But if you are an enterprise customer and are a larger company, you can call this number over here and get a consultation and a quote. The Students and Teachers tab takes you to that category, and you'll notice that students and teachers get a discounted price for the Creative Cloud subscription. And then so do schools and universities based on a university level. So if we go back to the Individuals tab, once you pick the product or package that you want to purchase, you simply click on the Buy Now button. Once you do that, you can pick which particular plan you want to go with. So these are all going to subscribe you to the Creative Cloud All Apps plan, but you can either pay monthly if you wish, which is helpful for users who don't use the products all the time and only need it on a month-by-month basis. You can also go with an annual plan, but pay it monthly. or you can go with an annual plan but prepay it for the entire year. So once you choose the option that you want, you do need to enter your email address. Now, if you have an existing Adobe ID, you can go ahead and enter it here. If you don't, enter your email address and it will create an Adobe ID from that email address. If you click the Continue to Payment button, you'll be asked for payment information and you'll need to use or create that Adobe ID along with it. And then you're on your way. When you're done, you'll be subscribed to a Creative Cloud plan and will have access to all the great benefits included with your subscription.